And video with chromosome. This diagrammatic representation shows ultrastructure of chromosome, which showing these various part. Outermost layer is termed as a pellicle. Inside that, the matrix region is present. This thread-like structure is nothing but a chromonemata. Then these two arms attached to each other with the help of these constriction, which is termed as a primary constriction or centromere or kinetochore. Then we observe here the secondary constriction, and the end of the chromosome is a telomere. One by one we study the detailed structure of these chromosome. Before that, we have to study the types of chromosome. There are two types of a chromosome on the basis of either these are related with the sex characteristic as well as the body characteristics. Human chromosomes, these are for two types, which is labeled as autosomes and sex chromosome. Genetic traits are linked to the sex of person are passed through the only sex chromosome. The rest of the genetic information is present in the autosomes. Simply we say that the genes which is responsible for the body character, these are present on those chromosomes, these are termed as autosomes. While the genes which are responsible for the sex character, sex diseases, these are present on those chromosomes, these are termed as a sex chromosome. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosome in their cells, of which 22 are the autosomes and only one pair is of a sex chromosome. And these together is nothing but a 46 chromosome which is present in a single cell. On the basis of number of centromere, the classification of a chromosome is done as a monocentric if it is having one centromere. Dicentric means that chromosome having two centromere. If that chromosome these are having more than two centromere, it is termed as a polycentric, and without centromere the chromosome is termed as a acentric chromosome. Such a chromosome represent freshly broken segment of chromosome which do not survive longer time. Along with that, when this centromere is not a distinct one, it is indistinct, it is non-located, then that type of a chromosome is termed as a diffused chromosome. On the basis of position of a centromere, where that centromere is located throughout the length of chromosome, this chromosome is termed as a metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. Metacentric means due to the position of a centromere, the two arms of which of chromosome, that is long arm and short arm, these are equal in a length. Therefore, it is termed as metacentric. When position of a centromere is just apart from the center, at that time one arm is short and another arm is long, it is termed as a submetacentric. Acrocentric means their position of centromere is just pulled towards the terminal end, and therefore at that time the longer arm is having long length and short arm is again a very short one. That chromosome is termed as acrocentric, and telocentric means there is only one arm, another arm is absent due to the terminal position of a centromere. Means on the basis of location of centromere, chromosome is classified as a submetacentric, which is having the anaphasic movement shape, that is we say that that shape is L-shaped. Metacentric anaphasic movement, during anaphasic movement this chromosome having shape V. Acrocentric, this chromosome during anaphasic movement showing the J-shaped structure, while acrocentric is I-shaped structure during the anaphasic movement. Means on the basis of centromere, the chromosomes are classified as metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. These are nothing but during metaphasic movement, the chromosome having the V-shaped, L-shaped, I-shaped, J-shaped the structure. Then telocentric are rod-shaped chromosomes, with the centromere occupying the terminal position so that chromosome has just one arm. Acrocentric are also rod-shaped chromosome with centromere occupying a subterminal position, and due to which one arm is very long and the other is very short. Submetacentric chromosomes are with centromere slightly away from the midpoint so that the two arms are unequal. Metacentric are V-shaped chromosome in which centromere lies in the middle of chromosome so that the two arms are almost equal one. The function and significance of chromosome. The number of chromosomes is a constant for a particular species. Therefore, these are of a great importance in the determination of the phylogeny and taxonomy of the species. The second function is genetic code storage. Chromosome contains the genetic material that is required by the organism to develop and grow. The DNA molecules are made up of chain of units and these are called genes. Genes are those sections of the DNA which code for specific proteins required by the cell for its proper functioning. Second function is the sex determination. All of you know that humans have the 23 pairs of a chromosome, out of which one pair is the sex chromosome, and the female have two X chromosome and males have one X and one Y chromosome. The sex of the child is determined by the chromosome passed down by the males. If X chromosome is a pass out of XY chromosome, the child will be female, and if Y chromosome is a pass, a male child develops. Control of cell division. Chromosome check successfully division of cells during the process of mitosis. The chromosome of the parent cell ensure that the correct information is passed on to the daughter cells required by the cell to grow and develop correctly. Formation of a proteins and storage. The chromosome direct the sequence of proteins formed in our body and also maintain the order of the DNA. The proteins are also stored in the coiled structure of the chromosomes. These proteins bound to the DNA help in proper packaging of the DNA. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.